Welcome to another tutorial in our Splunk SPL series. Today we're exploring the field summary command, a powerful tool for analyzing your data. The field summary command is designed to generate comprehensive summary statistics for all fields present in your search results. Think of it as your go-to command when you need a quick overview of what your data contains. Whether you're dealing with web logs, security events, or any other type of data in Splunk, Field Summary provides instant insights into the structure and characteristics of every field in your dataset. The Field Summary command is a statistical analysis tool that automatically examines every field in your search results. Unlike other commands that focus on specific fields or require you to specify which fields to analyze, Field Summary takes a comprehensive approach. It scans through all available fields in your data and provides detailed statistical information about each one. This makes it incredibly useful for data exploration, especially when you're working with new datasets or trying to understand the overall quality and distribution of your data. One of the best things about the Field Summary command is its simplicity. The basic syntax is straightforward. You just pipe your search results to the Field Summary command. That's it, no complex parameters or configurations required. You simply add a pipe symbol followed by the word Field Summary at the end of your search query. This minimal syntax makes it incredibly easy to add statistical analysis to any existing search without having to modify your search logic or learn complex parameters. The Field Summary command generates 4 key statistics for each field in your data. First is the count, which shows you how many non-null values exist for each field. This is crucial for understanding data completeness. Second is the distinct count, which reveals how many unique values each field contains, helping you understand data diversity. Third is the mean, which provides the average value for numeric fields, giving you insights into the central tendency of your numerical data. Finally, you get minimum and maximum values, which show you the range of values in each field, helping you identify outliers or unexpected data ranges. Let's look at a practical example of how to use the Field Summary command. Suppose you have weblog data stored in an index called web_logs. To analyze all fields in this data, you would write index equals web_logs pipe field summary. This simple query will search through all events in your weblogs index, and then generate comprehensive statistics for every field present in those events. You'll see statistics for fields like source IP addresses, response codes, user agents, timestamps, and any other fields that exist in your weblog data. The Field Summary command serves several important purposes in data analysis. For data quality assessment, it helps you identify missing values and understand data completeness across all your fields. You can quickly spot which fields have gaps in data or are consistently populated. For field analysis, it provides insights into field distributions and cardinality, helping you understand how diverse your data is. Finally, for performance optimization, Field Summary helps identify high cardinality fields that might benefit from proper indexing strategies. High cardinality fields with many unique values can impact search performance, so knowing which fields fall into this category is crucial for optimizing your Splunk environment. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.